Welcome back again, guys. This is part 3 of the 4-part series on Walter Russell's experiments. Please, if you're finding this video, make sure you watch part 1 first, because that's got the introduction to kind of let you know what we're doing here. After you watch the part 1 intro, you can watch part 2, part 3, and part 4. All right, so here we go with part 3 of Walter Russell's experiments. All right, so what we're going to show here, let's see, this is a picture in, this is The Secret of Light. And it shows, and it's talking about gravity and how, let's see, if there is, see how this bar is the same on both sides, but down here, he's fanned it out so that one side is wide and then the other side is much smaller, right? So I'll let you take it away.
So what we have here, we're gonna see that experiment play out. And I have a conical solenoid. So it's the same as before, it's just a steel cone with a copper enamel wire around it. And it's connected to a positive and a negative of a DC power supply. You could do it with a battery too, if you want to try it that way. I'm going to energize. So the coil is now energized, and you will see that it picks up this washer. Yeah. And it displaces it in gravity.
Right.
What we call gravity. And if I were to de-energize the coil, right, it falls. Right. And now we're going to re-energize the coil, and I'll try to pick it up with the south pole end. And you'll see that it is not strong enough. And even if you go to the center of the coil, it's really weak. It won't even pick it up at all. But if you go to the outside edge where there's some attraction, it's still too weak. And the Earth's gravity overcomes.
Right. So there's that difference of potential, or that gradient, because of the geometry of the wires being spread out on one side, but then the other side being tightly wound closer together. Therefore, the strength is higher.
Exactly. So it's a vortex principle. Yeah. And just like Walter said, every natural magnet is a cone, not a bar, because a bar would pick up the same weight on either end. But on this one, it's a differential magnet.
Right.
So that's proof of Walter's principle right there.
Right, and he has that same picture in the book, like a bar picking up a nail on both sides. But then down here, it would pick up the nail on the side that's small, but on the other side, you'd have to literally turn the nail into powder in order for it to be picked up on the other side. And we showed that here. Well, this was our nail, but you know, showed the concept and how it works. Yeah. Thank you very much. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. All right, guys, that's it, and I'll see you in the next one.